Well, welcome to another wild, crazy day at Willow, Brook, Apiary, and Homestead. We are here in upstate New York. It is April 16th. It is April 17th, and it is snowing. I mean, like, measurably snowing. I mean, check this out. This is our cold frame, and it's completely covered in snow. The garden. I'm looking at the garden going, should I have covered it? They say peas like the cold and do well. I hope this is what they're talking about. Hoping I don't have things coming up too early, but let's take a peek under here so you guys can see the benefit of a cold frame. I mean, look at these guys. They don't mind. They don't mind. This lettuce maybe a little bit. That lettuce not so much. This is crazy. Crazy. This lettuce doesn't mind. This is crazy. My goal for today, if it was warmer and not windy, was to finish laying down the rows of mulch in the garden here. Say hi, Tanner. Say hi, Tanner. Tanner wants to be in the video too. Well, that's the thing about having a small dog. From a distance, I can get him in the screen with me. But as soon as I kneel down beside him and turn the camera back on myself, he disappears. He's standing on my knee right now. You don't know it. Say hi, Tanner. Anyway, it looks like nature has a different plan for the day today. God has a different plan for my life. We'll do something different. Who knows? Maybe it'll stop snowing and it'll all melt by afternoon. They say in the Northeast, if you don't like the winter, just wait 5 minutes. It'll change. Have a great day, everybody. Willow, Brook, Apiary, and Homestead. God bless.